how everybody they will do this exercise and how to stretch your body in this position. So let's start. Our first exercise which we will do warm up on our back. So we will start in this side and starting to breathe and slowly breathe out. Breathe and breathe out. Breathe and breathe out. After that, try to circle. So 1, 2, 3. Change side. Take it. 1, 2, 3. Good work. From this position, take one hand in this side and starting work. You take 1, 2, 3. Let's change. Take it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good work. After that, we will try the whales. So we will take our stomach on the floor and push up. After we will take and take down. So it's 2, on the floor 3, and 4, and last one. 5, 6, and push your body down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Try with legs. Take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go down, relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back. Take your legs for your head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after that, what we will do? We will try take this leg more forward self and try catch your back leg and take more for your body. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. And try to stretch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Take your legs together. Take your breathe. And after what you can do, you will take relax on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly stand up. So thank you so much for watching. I will hope that you like it, subscribe me, take me, like.